set directions for Stokesville. Go.
Walmart to Stokesville.
5 hours and 6 minutes. Grab me a slice of pizza. While you're driving these curves, it's a 10% grade. This is crazy. Someone burning wood? Like a wood stove, campfire? No, I think that's my brakes. Where are we? And why is there snow? I say hook this thing up, man. Get the space heater rolling. It's like whacking me. Here. Max output all the way up. Getting this power. Whoa, we got power. We are at about 31 degrees. Dude, what's going on with this one? This one stinks. Is it your feet? Get them out of there.
My feet are burning.
Honestly, I think this one's burning bugs from your garage. I can hear them snapping in there.
Right
Get
there?
that out of there. Do you really think just running these two space heaters will be enough to keep this
We started
warm?
at 31. We're close to 48. We're probably like 46 right now.
That's true. Can we get it to 100? Good morning from Stokesville, Virginia. So if you're about to do a 3,000 foot descent mountain biking, this is what you want for breakfast. Something to stick to you. This is a country gravy my mom taught me how to make. Four-wheel drive's on. I see. I mean, it's on auto, but
Put air in your tire?
oh yeah, I gotta put air in my tire. All right, you ready?
I'm ready.
Ready? This is Ethan here. He's riding with us today. Yeah, buddy. All right, let's go do.
The truck so I can lock it up.
What are we doing? Wolf Ridge and what was the first?
Rusty
Or Rusty Knob, Reddish Knob.
It's Reddish Knob is the top.
Ooh, that wind, and it cuts right through you to the bone.
Why'd they blow this mountain out like this?
To dam up this river.
Damn! It lands here on the side of this road. If anybody got shit, that's the best stuff to wipe with.
That's nature's toilet paper. Ethan, are you speeding up so you don't have to hear us singing?
Motivation, dude. We're helping you out.
Yeah. Against the wind, I'm still biking. This dude's a demon. Hats off.
Yeah, dude.
Hey. Gotta be getting close. I can feel that we're starting to kind of level off with the other hilltops, mountaintops. Oh, it's never ending. Look at Ethan go, man. He's a trooper, dude.
That dude's felt different.
Or would you say rip it? Is he a rip it dude?
I think that's a true rip it, dude.
That is a true rip it dude. Yeah, it's definitely gotten colder as we go up, and now we're starting to see more snow. Yeah, I'm not liking this ice, are you? Whew, gotta get feeling back in my hands. Oh, I thought we were at the top. What? Holy crap, all the way up there?
We've arrived.
Have we made it? I think we made it, buddy. Oh, is it crazy?
That's the trail right there. Easy, did it.
Whoa.
See, we're gonna have to hike a bit. That's sketchy without the snow.
Oh, crap.
Yeah.
No way.
Sketchy.
I ran out of gas.
Yeah.
I can't feel my lips. But I know I'm smiling. Look at this.
Dude, I want to get a picture. I don't want to take my fingers out of my gloves.
Alright, dude, we gotta go back down.
I'm gonna need this on the way down.
Let's get out of here. Ooh, sun's coming back out. What is that? Whoa, look at this, dude.
I've seen this on YouTube.
Whoa.
It's like a good way to lose your derailleur.
Dude, if I could feel my fingers, that would help.
Dude, I don't know how you're supposed to do this. Zip ties is such a nice thing to have when you got mechanicals. Fat boy's got enough snacks.
Yeah.
You know, I don't know.
2 for you.
Here, I got an idea. You got 2 of them.
Yeah.
Can you loop one here? Like put this through. Oh shit.
You want me to hold this down while you work on this?
Then use this as an anchor point
Yeah,
for the other one.
and then wrap the other one around that.
Want me to bite it again?
I've never seen this done before, but I think it's gonna work.
You want me to bite it?
So basically, I'm thinking I'm just letting.
I bit it off.
You did.
It's good though. You gotta do what you gotta do.
Dude. I'm kind of just feeling the trail, and if there's anything, I'll try and yell it out.
Okay, yeah.
We may have to take breaks because this fat old man.
It's good for fat old man. I could already see a giant stick down there.
Yeah, you gotta watch out for sniper sticks.
Whoa. Damn it. I need a toe tap. Good clean, Kevin. Oh yeah, nice.
It's me a bend to the right, and then there's a trail to the left. Just stay right.
Don't go to the trail on the left.
Yep.
Stay right.
Whoa. You always see this stuff. It's like, man, you see it in the videos and you're like, we're gonna do that. Okay, who said that was the last of the climbing? Oh my gosh. I'm riding like crap.
Dude, that was a fun section.
It was. Dang. Whew. Nice job, dude.
Oh man, I'm on the struggle bus too.
I am too. Like doing those features, like I already went down once. Hell yeah.
No. No.
Oh no. Oh, okay. Oh. 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 But here's a sign. Tillman Rd, 0.7 miles. Isn't that what we parked off of? Yes, let's blast it back. Oh, I see someone's truck. It almost hit a tree right before the end. Woo! Holy crap. What a ride. Between the mechanicals, the numb fingers, the blistering wind. Your hair is beautiful.
That's a mountain bike ride right there.
That's awesome.
Oh, dude, and this hung on the whole time.
Oh yeah, look what I brought down. Little memento. I'm probably gonna stand it up.
This cool, you got like an insulation board down here with a little carpet on top.
You really when I got home before I left.
You gonna finish that?
You gonna finish that sandwich? I'm kind of hungry.
Give us the van tour, dude.
Yeah,
Or
so
the
this
truck
is
tour.
about $50,000 total.
This is
plated insulation.
oh, fancy. One thing sucks is that we didn't get to take like pictures at the top.
Yeah, it was
we
too
got
cold.
up there, it was so blistering cold, and the wind literally blew your helmet off, smacked it right off your head.
I lost my helmet.
Or your little hoodie thing, right?
How bad would that have been if I lost my helmet before descending? If it just flew off the cliff? And I would have go all down that mountain without a helmet.
Dude, that would have been dangerous. This is the setup, dude. Hell yeah.
Sleep right next to your bike. That's nice.
I can't believe you're sleeping in there without a heater, dude.
I really wasn't that bad. I just couldn't sleep just because I couldn't sleep.
Yeah. All right, man. Good shredding.
All right.
Fist me.
hopefully I got a.
Yeah. Check out the
Service
video.
sign.
I'll text you and I'll make something really cheesy for you to watch. You're not going to be in it because you drop us every time, but
There's no follow cam for you. You stoked?
What about your face?
Feels like it's been windburned.
Really?
Like icy wind just smacking my face.
Like a Pokemon move, and it's super effective.
Yeah, it's like I'm the dragon. I'm getting hit in the face with ice beam.
When you're riding Rusty Knob,
That's rusty.
Reddish Knob is what it's called.
Hold up, I can't hear with all these chips.
You can't eat while I'm talking. Listen, all I want to say is that unless you're a real like spandex demon, going all the way up to Reddish Knob, like the 10-mile climb, is painful, and I don't think I'd want to do it again. But anyways, there's a trail that cuts across. It's like all uphill. It's probably a hike a bike. What was it called? Lynn something. It's called Lynn something. That's it right there.
Blue?
Yeah, so basically once you start climbing up Briery Branch Rd or whatever it's called, you can that is totally not the trail, is it?
Skidmore Fork Trail?
Nope. It's over here, you idiot. So instead of going all the way to the top of Reddish Knob, which is like 10 miles of climbing, you could cut the corner on this trail here called, is it Lynn?
Lynn.
Yeah, Lynn Trail. It's probably a hike and bike. Yeah, it's a hike and bike.
Yeah.
Most likely. Just for a beginner to intermediate mountain biker, I think starting down at the parking lot down here and just doing, it's like 1/3 of the climb. You just come up Briery Branch and you cut the corner there using that Lynn Trail, and it takes you right to the beginning of this Wolf Ridge or...
Yeah, Wolf Ridge.
Yeah, Wolf Ridge, which is awesome. I honestly, I think this Wolf Ridge was better than this Timber Ridge or
Reddish
whatever.
Knob Timber Ridge, yeah.
Yeah, like
I mean,
this was all right. There was some good techie stuff, but
I mean, if you've never been here, it's still really cool to go to the very top
yeah,
of
it's a
Reddish Knob.
360 massive view.
Yeah, the
But
view up there is amazing. So it is still worth kind of going up there and looking, but it's a lot of climbing, and then you don't really get rewarded in this area. At least in our opinion. Yeah, it's just, I mean, no regrets because we saw that awesome
yeah, I
360 view.
So I'm basically just saying that for people like us that are like beginners, intermediate level mountain bikers, I think that's a much more doable route.
Just to see me fall back down.